and welcome, my friend. Let's dedicate this meditation to harmonize fear. Fear is such a common sensation and experience that we're experiencing through our life, sometime more, sometime less. It's very important that we know how to deal with it. So get a nice position, either sitting or lying down. Just start to connect with your breathing. Even if your mind moves still very fast and the sense of fear is very strong, please try to follow your breath more than anything else. And deep, a bit stronger inhaling to the whole body. Exhaling and releasing. Again, let's deep inhale to the whole body. Exhale and release. One more time, deep inhale, but let's do it with gratitude, saying thank you, inhaling deep, thank you. Exhale, thank you, and release. Try to observe how you're feeling, how is your mind, how is your emotion, specifically the fear, and how is your physical body. Try to recognize in which part of your body the fear manifests the strongest. Maybe it's in your solar plexus, maybe it's in your lower abdomen, maybe you feel tense in your muscles. Just pay attention. And now let's direct the breathing to that specific area of tension where the fear manifests. Inhale to that area. And exhale and try to soften that area. Again, inhale to that area. Exhale and soften. Again, inhale, saying thank you. Exhale, soften, saying thank you. It doesn't matter what we're thanking for. Just connecting to the vibration of thank you is so harmonizing and so synchronizing mind and heart. Let's continue. And now let's visualize that our body is bigger than its physical form. And when we're inhaling, let's visualize that we're expanding further out from our physical form. And when we're exhaling, let's visualize that we're becoming sunny, radiant. And again, let's include in our breathing the area of tension where the fear manifests. Breathe to that area, but visualize that, let's say if it's in your lower abdomen, the space is much bigger than the physical form. And when you're exhaling, again from that, let's say lower abdomen, you're becoming shining. That area become like a sun. The logic of what we're doing is that when we feel tense in any way, the energy pulls in and become very tight and hard. And in order to transform negativity to well-being, we have to go back into wideness, expansion. That's what we do. And now when that specific area where the fear manifests feel better, let's again move into awareness of the whole body and continue with this breathing and awareness of infinite space around you. Exhaling and transforming into the brightest sun ever. Like this, you can apply to any discomfort, always moving from tension and tightness and small existence into the opposite, wide, infinite existence. Then your mind cannot resist and will feel much better. Thank you so much. Have a blessed, beautiful day and life.